How to use Ask Perplexity AI to generate videos on X. So to use this feature, you need to tag the at Ask Perplexity bot in a post on X and include a short text prompt describing the video you want. So first thing you want to do is open your Twitter or X account and then create a new post or a reply. Then simply just tag this right here, the name of the bot in your post. And then next is to include a text prompt describing the video that you want to generate. Like for example, you could write a cat wearing a hat, or a futuristic cityscape. And then optionally, you can also include an image in your post to provide further context or inspiration, and then post your tweet so the bot will now be able to generate. Then just wait for the Perplexity bot to respond to your tweet with the AI generated video. And this feature provides a quick and easy way to create short, engaging videos directly within X, leveraging the Perplexity AI generative capabilities. And that's how you can use Ask Perplexity AI to generate videos on X.